So you're interested in ClickFunnels, but you're not ready to spend money on a course just yet? Good news. There are plenty of free resources out there that can help you learn ClickFunnels fast without opening your wallet. In this video, I'm going to share the best free resources to get started with ClickFunnels, build your first funnel, and even start making sales for free. Let's dive in. 1. ClickFunnels. YouTube channel. ClickFunnels' official YouTube channel is a goldmine. You'll find funnel walkthroughs, marketing tips from Russell Brunson, product updates and demos, live Q&A replays, beginner tutorials and advanced hacks. This is perfect for staying current and learning from the creators themselves. Just search ClickFunnels on YouTube and hit subscribe. 2. ClickFunnels. Free trial, 14 days. ClickFunnels offers a 14-day free trial, and it's more than just access to the software. During this trial, you can explore all funnel types, test templates, build full websites or sales funnels, and use the drag-and-drop editor with no restrictions. It's a great way to get hands-on learning while actually building your funnel. Pro tip: combine the free trial with the free training resources in this list to maximize results. 3. ClickFunnels 2.0 Academy inside your account. If you're using ClickFunnels 2.0, the CF Academy is built right into your dashboard. It features short tutorials, tool explanations, funnel setup guides, CRM and workflow walkthroughs, and real examples. It's all step-by-step and super beginner-friendly. This is like your personal training library, 100% free for users. 4. Funnel Flicks, some free access. Think of Funnel Flicks as the Netflix of marketing education. While most of it is premium, some sections are totally free, especially during promotions. You'll find Funnel Strategy, traffic training, copywriting tips and interviews with top marketers. Just log into your ClickFunnels account, head to the Funnel Flicks tab and explore the free content. 5. One Funnel Away. Challenge, free launch trainings. While the full challenge is paid, you can find free preview videos and launch training clips from the One Funnel Away challenge online. These offer real strategies taught by Russell Brunson, Julie Stoyan, and Stephen Larson. Absolutely free. Search YouTube for OFA Challenge Day 1 to get a sneak peek. 6. Facebook groups and communities. There are thousands of ClickFunnels users sharing tips, templates, and support inside free Facebook groups. Some to check out. Official ClickFunnels. Community. ClickFunnels Avengers. Affiliate group Funnel Hackers group. Ask questions, share your progress, and learn from real users building funnels every day. 7. Russell Brunson's free books plus bonuses. Russell Brunson has released 3 incredible books, and he gives them away for free. Just pay shipping. These are .com Secrets. Learn how to build funnels that convert. Expert Secrets. Learn how to turn your knowledge into a business. Traffic Secrets. Learn how to get consistent traffic. Even better, these books often come with free mini-courses and funnel templates bundled in. Grab them at their official websites. Bonus: blogs and Reddit. Don't underestimate the power of reading. You'll find tons of blog posts on funnel building, affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels automation, Conversion N optimization. Also, check Reddit forums like r/c ClickFunnels and r/Entrepreneur. They're full of real experiences and tips. So, to recap, the best free resources to learn ClickFunnels include ClickFunnels YouTube channel, the 14-day free trial CF 2.0 Academy, Funnel Flicks 1, Funnel Away, free previews, Facebook communities, Russell Brunson's free books, blogs, and Reddit. With these tools, you don't need a big budget to start learning and implementing ClickFunnels strategies. Start free, take action, and upgrade only when you're ready. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more funnel building tips, and check the description for all the free resource links mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.